I really don't know what I'm doing right now. Hi guys, welcome to this episode of Florida Man Adventures. You are gonna have no idea what we have in for you today, but don't forget to hit subscribe. Oh, there's a fire ant on there. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like this video. You're gonna wanna be along for this ride because look where we are right now. Manatee County's finest, baby. There he is.
Oh, he's pulling, he's pulling, he's pulling. He's pulling. Okay, he's going out.
Your rod tip up.
Right. He's pulling. Do I try to even find him or not?
Here, Rob. You wanna hop on this one?
Okay.
No, Sherry, you're good.
I just keep tension on it so you know where he is?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'll get this one in him and then I'll...
Oh, there he is.
Okay, yeah, whatever.
Go, Robert, go.
Actually,
All right, easy does it right here. You guys know the deal here. Just getting this big hook in him.
Yep.
Could we winch him up and harpoon him? Yeah, we could.
We have it.
Are we going to?
We just rather have the gator in the boat.
Rather have the big hook. He's coming up at me.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's about just about to
There he
get
is,
show.
there he is. Yeah, that's a big. Oh, you just pissed him off. He's mad. Okay.
Where's mine going?
Little step back, buddy. Yeah. Just don't fall off. Got him?
I got another one.
You got him in there?
Yeah, coming out now.
Yeah, he's definitely out.
Let's put a harpoon in there.
Okay.
You bought it, let's use it, right?
Yep. My Ace Hardware harpoon. He's coming up. He's right
All
there.
this untangle?
I got him by the tail. Look at the red tag on that.
Sure is.
What do we have? We got a rat.
All right, Miss Sherry,
I'm
you.
gonna get on the other side of you.
Yep, you ease back a little.
Oh, sorry.
No, you guys are good. Hey, ain't nothing but it's bang stick time now, baby. All right, Rob.
It's bigger than I thought.
That's why I don't use a harpoon. See that?
What's that?
Just came out. Can you see that? Is that documented for you, Tyler?
Did it come out?
Yeah. Hey, that's why we don't use a harpoon. Just free spool. Just go to free spool.
Me and you. Yeah?
Yep.
Me too?
Who wants to bang stick this jigger?
I'll get him.
Wow, get him. Okay, under the water, baby. Rob. Right it off.
He can run, but he's just going to die tired at this point.
Under the water, baby. Under the water. In the head, under the water.
Hang on.
Turn around.
Yep.
And don't bang the rope.
Hang on. Now. Bullets.
Oh, it can-
Pull it from off. Yeah.
Just they get wet. Careful.
You think it's as big as you thought it was? 9/8.
I don't think he's under 10.
Oh, he's turned up.
Hang on, I'll swing him back to you. Hang on. No.
Behind the head.
Damn.
Behind it.
You lost it again?
No. Slam that baby in there.
Hold on, baby. Hold on. I'll get him around. Hold on, babe.
I have exhaustion.
Give me the screwdriver. Try it now. Here, hold this.
Worked perfect yesterday.
Yeah, some bullets, man. Whenever they get humidity in them.
You think?
That bullet's not going to
Still out.
Hold on to that rope tight, baby, because that's if he thrashes, then. Oh my goodness.
Perfect right now. What size goes in there? That's 40.
357.
Oh, okay.
Here, buddy. Hang on. No. Son of a buck. Try him now.
Dead.
Congrats, dude.
Nice job.
Fun, huh?
Oh, it's missing a tooth.
It's probably in the side of the boat.
The bullet?
The tooth.
Oh.
Hey,
Okay.
that's how we do it.
Duct tape.
What do you think about that, Miss Sherry?
I think he was a pretty exciting gator.
That was rocks, man.
What do you think, bud?
Great.
Yeah, so check out the teeth on this joker. Watch. Y'all watch this. That means he's dead. All right, let's get this baby rolled in the boat.
Yeah, he closed his eyes.
Oh, hey.
He did. So so I think he's playing possum. He blinked.
Yeah.
So he's got some.
Open it up a little more.
Yeah, he's opening his eyes. Poor guy. Put him on
That'll test that. Drop if you want to. Yeah, drop if you want to. Yep. Get that other one over there.
We're just going to pull him straight in.
There you go. There we go. Watch them hooks now.
Yep. That one's buried.
Oh yeah. That's why we use gator takers.
Nice.
Shit, it got hot. All right, for purposes of the law, I'm gonna show you all this tag insertion here. All right, Miss Sherry, snap it tight. Now give it a little tug.
Yep.
There you go. Tag gator. Congratulations.
Nice
Thank
job.
you.
Nice job.
That was fun. You guys ready for another one?
Yes.
Sweet. Let's get it done.
Do it again.
Shoo! So I interrupt this peach cobbler gathering here. Good thing about having good friends is my buddy Tyler that we just told you guys was hooked up to a big one. He got broke off because what were you using, bud? Instead of that hand line, what were you using?
got a little
He put that dang harpoon in him.
this one.
So we are trying to get up in there because this big, he says is a 12-footer, is
I'm still alive.
up in there. Who knows how far. So we'll see how this goes. You know how it's going to go. It's going to be a freaking goat roping. All right, so here's what we got. That big gator is way up in there. We are surrounded. You do not want these gators to get too hot and the gators to ruin. So my tag holder and my hunter, Miss Sherry, Mr. Rob, are gonna get on that boat with that gator. We have his tags now, so we're all legal. They're going to the processor. And then they're going to bring back some machetes and some bush axes so we can bushwhack our way deeper in there, because this gator came up for air and he is a mega giant. He is El Grande. So, hey, it's innovative. I really don't know what I'm doing right now. I don't have a solution. I'm lost. I don't know what to do. And yeah, we're just gonna stand around until something happens. Ain't that right, Cap?
That's right.
I think I'm gonna go ahead and say this gator's gonna be 12'9". He's big. He's really big. So hey, stay tuned. You know what it is? I don't know what to tell you. Just hang on. We're gonna kill him. All right, you got your tags?
Adam, there's a gentleman here that will get a machete.
We need a machete. Hey, do you have your tags, Miss Sherry?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, do you have your tags?
They're in that bag.
All right, we're legal.
He is a little.
Hey, can you guys grab some peach cobbler from Lightseas to go?
So we can do it?
Wait, you don't know about the peach cobbler either?
No.
You haven't told these boys about that?
No, we go to the tent pit.
God.
We missed Lightseas by 30
Hold
minutes.
up.
Don't know how long it's gonna be.
Boys. All right, so we got our snacks. We got our goat roping. I think that all we have to have here is our first time gator hunter. I think we gotta have him shotgun this bush light. He's struggling. That's like a monkey humping a football right there. All right, hey, give us the good luck, buddy.
All righty, buddy.
Woohoo! Shit! Chug, yay!
Bushwhacking for gators.
Hey, you guys be safe, okay?
Find your good one in here.
So we're sitting here. We're waiting on all of our buddies to get back with machetes and all kind of chainsaws and all kind of other junk to get this gator out of here. And our man Gary here, what's up, buddy?
Hey!
He ran back to his house, got some snips and a machete, and we are about to try to cut our way to this gator. I've actually seen him come up a couple times, and he's really big. He's only, 30 foot past the front of the boat, but he's this mess is nasty. So we're gonna get at it, see what we can do. You guys know how it is. It'll be an adventure. Y'all look what we got going on here. We got boys cutting stuff everywhere.
We gotta get this stuff.
Yeah, boy. We getting close. Well, we have gathered quite the gathering here. We got Brad Gibson with G3 Outfitters. We got his son Blaine, Tyler, Mr. Gary. We got the whole crew. What have we gotten into? Blaine's actually going to take this gator boat and ram it up in there. He's got a mud motor, so he can be a lot shallower than us. So we'll see. Only God knows. My goodness gracious. Look at the mess.
Tools.
Look at the mess. Lord have mercy. That's the stump that was catching us right there where his butt end of that boat is.
There it goes.
Heck, my GoPro's dying, so I'm gonna have to bring y'all the tail end of this one, boys.
a little entourage of boats here.
Have to go in there to find it.
Trying to get this 12-foot monster gator out of the weeds.